What's up, everybody? So in my last video, I showed you how to make the salted caramel cream from, the big coffee place. And I like my version better because I just use heavy whipping cream. I don't care, okay? It's delicious. So anyway, that was with heavy whipping cream, salted caramel syrup. I used the Torani, and then salt. Use iodized. Adds a little iodine to your diet. Anyway, so we're gonna put this all together. I'm going to use Bizzy's Cold Brew. I have Starbucks as well, and La Colombe. I love them all, okay? But today I'm using Bizzy. Also, check this out. Bizzy actually now sells a decaf. Get out of here, right? Awesome. Like for after 3 o'clock, Totally. Okay, stand by. Do you see how fabulously easy that was? And don't judge me on the amount of the cold cream that I use because I love it. And also don't judge me that I'm gonna use a straw, okay? It is what it is. Well, first I'll do it right, okay. I can't even talk about it. And for less than $2 a serving, you can totally make it at home. Cheers, happy Friday.